I quickly show you how to use a kickstand on your Nintendo Switch 2. So on the bottom of your console over here we literally have kickstand, which is actually very nice this year. So and to basically pop it up, basically you see you have this groove over here, and all you have to do is take your finger and simply like lift it up like this, and you see you can pretty much lift it all the way like this. So no matter basically how you want it, we can actually adjust it. So you see the kickstand adjustments are actually like really decent. By the way, one thing that I'm actually not huge fan is basically the thinness of the kickstand. I think it feels a bit flimsy, so I do hope with time it simply doesn't break, because again, no idea really how the long-term durability will be. And see, we have like really decent hinges over there, so again we can literally like adjust it just as you need. So basically, let's see, you can easily stand your console now. And also if I twist the console, I can also easily adjust the angle of it, so I can easily like put it basically all the way like this. So again, very cool actually. And over here, for example, we have the memory card slot. So again, to access your memory card, you actually have to like flip up this kickstand over here. Anyway, good luck.